sports. It's in the game.
And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as always, is Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. It's Portugal against Paris Saint-Germain. Can he do it? Vigorous defending. Big chance it is. A truly magnificent start. An early goal in the game. Just what they were hoping to produce.
Well, as we see it again, he was never going to miss that, was he? That's a really simple finish in the end.
Well, PSG get the ball moving again. How will they respond? Well, that takes the wind out of their sails. Great defending. Herrera. Now, what can Paris Saint-Germain do from this position? Surely the equaliser. And a goal! An end-to-end game, and they weren't behind for long. So back underway following the equaliser. Can they create something? Well, that's going to go down as offside.
Well, he couldn't quite release it quickly enough, and the flag went up.
Ronaldo. And he's broken free. A goal! He's dispatched it, much to the sheer delight of the fans.
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Disappointing for PSG to concede the goal. Now let's see if they can attack with vigour. Well, he was in the right place to intercept. Bruno Fernandes. And a goal! The quick 1-2, and they've turned this game on its head. Now the action continues, and no shortage of goals. 3-1 as things stand. And he successfully got past him. Big chance! Not to be, and still chasing this game.
Well, that was the chance to get back into this. As it is, they're going to struggle now.
Silva. Nicely timed tackle. Well, you've got to keep the ball a bit better than that. Herrera. It's still alive. And good pressure high up the pitch. Rafa. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. And Ronaldo prepared to fire. Well, the keeper had a lot to do.
Well, it's a great piece of goalkeeping. So quick off his line.
Great challenge. He got nothing but ball. Ronaldo feeds it. A goal! How about that? He's put it away to make it a hat-trick.
Well, here's the goal again, and it's a great ball to put him through. Good vision to set up the chance. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
So the action underway again here, with Portugal very much in control. And the pass could do damage. Well, he gave it real leather, but miles off target.
Well, Portugal had more of the possession, as you can see, and have used it really well today, particularly in the midfield areas. And I expect more of the same as the game goes on.
Not out of the woods yet. Pulls it back. And Navas has somehow kept it out. Well, opting for the short corner. Nelson Semedo. The ball with Otavio. And Bernardo Silva has it. The ball back with PSG now. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. Can they hit on the break? Ronaldo. A goal! An exceptional performance this. 4 to the good now.
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against, and then the shot could not be hit any better. Struck with such venom. Great goal.
Blistering first half display, and just look at that score. Rafa. And still danger here. Not the pass he had in mind. Now what can they do from here? Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Can they take advantage of the situation? And a penalty awarded. Spot kick coming up. Well, some might say he's been fortunate to avoid being shown the card.
Well, I like that from the referee. Just because it's a penalty doesn't mean it's a yellow card. I think he's got it right.
And the spot kick is converted as coolly as you like. Joao Cancelo. Bruno Fernandes. It should be! And able to close down the shot. Well, the short corner routine. And played in. Still not clear. And a tidy tackle. Ramos completely on top of the situation. Oh, that pass easy on the eye. Keeper had work to do. A fine reading of the situation. Corner given. Favouring the short one. Bruno Fernandes. Committed challenge. And a fine cross. Well thumped clear. Jota. Fine tackle there to prevent the chance. The first half here comes to an end. Well, we're focusing on Cristiano Ronaldo for a reason, Stuart. Fair to say, he's been at his brilliant best.
Well, when he's in this sort of form, he's almost unplayable. Even when he's tightly marked, he just seems to buy himself that little bit of space to get his shots away. He's also taken his chances really well.
Well, they get the ball rolling again. Second half underway here, and PSG really need to lift themselves. Joao Cancelo. Bruno Fernandes. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. Messi. And Messi's incisive pass. But I'll tell you what, that didn't miss by much. Well, they have been getting three substitutes warmed up. And by the look of it, all three are coming on. Diogo Jota. Joao Felix. Danilo Pereira. Joao Felix. Throw-ins given. Felix. Jota. And here's Danilo Pereira. Bad pass. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Oh, big chance. Surely. And the referee doesn't hesitate. That is a spot kick. And the upshot of it all is a sending off too.
Well, it was certainly a penalty all day long. A sending off, I'm not quite so sure.
A goal! Accurate from the spot. Not a scoreline we see all that often. 5-3. Rafa. It's with Joao Cancelo. Passes like that, very much in his repertoire. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. Joao Cancelo. On the ball, Joao Felix. Joao Cancelo. Well, keeping hold of the ball is what it's all about for them. Sound piece of goalkeeping. Joao Cancelo. Pepe. Great, and he might be through here. And there it is! 3 goals in front now, an immense performance.
Well, as you can see, he makes it look easy in the end, but I think that's a good finish. He'll be pleased with that.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Di Maria. And the keeper did magnificently.
Well, that's just a wonderful save. How did he stop that?
Just the clearance that was needed. And the counter looks on here. Options available. Ronaldo. And how about that for a save? Kimpembe. And that pass could be troublesome. And a wonderful diving save to deny the opportunity. It's Neymar's corner. Oh, just wide of the mark. Goal kick.
Well, that never looked like troubling the keeper, did it? But it was worth an effort. A good strike from him.
Now, what can they produce on the flank? Rafa, and a tidy tackle. Chances on. It's got to be. Well, they pulled one back, but perhaps a bit too late in this contest. They haven't been at the races this evening. Well, what an extraordinary scoreline. Does this game have more goals in it? Perfect example of how to execute a slide tackle. Well, on the cusp of the final whistle, and the home side really prospering today. Stuart, interested to get your take.
Yeah, clearly the better side. Obviously been fantastic up front, but it's their work ethic for me. They're just not happy unless they have the ball, and they're fighting to win it back whenever they do lose it. It's been a really great performance all round.
The high press was very much on. 5 minutes to go. Might really be able to trouble them here. Good pressure to win the ball back high up the pitch. Joao Cancelo. Well, adding up all the stoppages, we will have 2 extra minutes. Joao Cancelo. Well, he was closely marked.